But it's that time of the day when we move to D-Street Chatter. Nimesh joins us to tell us what's he picking up. Nimesh?
Nigel, a quiet day, I guess it's a wait and watch out of the policy tomorrow. And interestingly, while it may not be visible on the screen, but there is a bit of profit booking in the rate sensitives today. So PSU banks, real estate names, there is a bit of profit booking now after the anticipation that maybe 25 basis points is given in. So, of course, that policy will be important to watch out for. Broadly, the flows are quite mixed, and I've been saying this for a while, that there is no big surprise in terms of larger flows. And for the last couple of days, it was more skewed towards because of the block deals. Again, but the trend is likely to continue. I'm going to talk about a couple of blocks there. And broadly, I guess the broader market outperformance continues. So there is a bit of sense of buying back, or at least the retail participation is back in the broader market names. But from a Nifty and a Bank Nifty perspective, it's a quiet day. I guess a wait and watch out of the policy tomorrow.
All right, but a lot of khabar also to call it. A lot of news coming in there. What are you picking up today? The few stocks on your radar?
Sure. So the first stock on my list today is Swiggy. That's been buzzing in the last couple of days. The delivery volumes have also picked up last I checked. And again, the sense is that one large leading domestic mutual fund has been an active buyer in Swiggy of late. So that explains the bit of outperformance there. The second stock is Motilal Oswal. Within the financial names, especially the broking companies, this is relatively underperformed. We saw a block yesterday where the promoter entity was a seller, a small seller there. But again, there I understand some domestic mutual funds and one leading global fund has been accumulating off late. So that's Motilal Oswal. The third couple of stocks where there is selling today, especially the real estate names, both Godrej Properties as well as DLF, may not be visible in the stock price, but clearly there is some bit of profit booking happening in both the real estate names today. And the last is Bajaj Finserv. Again, for the last couple of days, the stock has been under pressure, and largely because there is a large anticipation of a block coming very soon in Bajaj Finserv. So that explains a bit of softness in last couple of days in Bajaj Finserv.
Well, interesting list, as always, Nimesh, and blocks and blocks and blocks, lots of blocks coming. Well, thanks for that.